Sales tax settlement periods specify the intervals when the company reports and pays taxes. The company can then determine which sales tax settlement period to report to the authorities. The system automatically marks the posted tax transaction with the settlement period when it must report the transaction. Reporting periods will depend on the size of the company, laws, and the authorities. Some examples of typical periods could include monthly, quarterly, or yearly.
In this demonstration, I'll show you how to set up a sales tax settlement period. They're found in the General Ledger module underneath Setup, Sales Tax, and then Sales Tax Settlement Periods. On this form, you can see a list of each of the settlement periods. The settlement periods oftentimes have a one-to-one relationship with the sales tax authorities. I'll go ahead and create a new one for Wyoming. I'll name it WY. In the terms of payment, you can select the terms of payment, such as net 30 days. Next, I'll link the sales tax settlement period to the sales tax authority that we created earlier. Then, in the period interval, I'll select the frequency at which we need to make payments. Let's say for Wyoming, you're required to make payments quarterly. So I'll select month in the period interval, and then type 3 in the number of units. Next, I'll need to create some periods. The first period I'll create manually by clicking the Add button and then typing in the dates. Now that I've created the first period manually, I can use the New Period button at the top of the form to automatically generate new periods. So I'll go ahead and click the button, and you can see that the next period is created automatically. By repeating this process, new periods will automatically be created based on the period interval that you have configured. When you're finished, you can close the window.